Assalamualaikum grade 7 students. In my last video I gave the explanation of page number 73. Today I will give you lesson explanation of page number 74. So let's start our today's explanation. No, I do not. I dislike stars, but did they give you an idea? How interesting, tell me. I had an idea that they were like a man. I do not understand. The four big stars are the man's shoulder and his knees. The three stars in the middle are like the belts that man wore once, and the three stars hanging are like a sword. A sword. Men carried swords, but with them to kill animals and other men? It does not strike me as a very good idea, but it is certainly original. When did it come to you first? In the airship. I broke off, and she finished that he looked sad. She could not be sure, for the machine did not transmit nuances of expressions. It only gave a general idea of people, an idea that was good enough for all practical purposes. Vashti thought a finer details of expressions was rightly ignored by the machine, just as the finer detail of the grape was ignored by the manufacturers of artificial fruit. Something good enough had long since been accepted by our race. The truth is, he continued, that I went to see these stars again. They are curious stars. I want to see them not from the airship but from the surface of the earth, as our ancestors did thousands of years ago. I want to visit the surface of the earth. She was shocked again. Mother, you must come if only to explain me what is the harm of the visiting surface of the earth. Means this is the conversation of the Kunu and his mother, and she is explaining the stars, that stars is the four big stars are man's shoulder and his knees, and three stars are middle are like the belts that man wore once. So, and other three stars are like a sword. So till here the Kunu is insisting to his mother that she should pay a visit to him, but she is avoiding to pay the visit. So let's see what is the reason why she is denying. Now Kunu said to his mother that if only to explain that she should visit Kunu and just explain him that why visiting the surface of the earth is harmful for his mother. No harm, she replied, controlling herself, but no advantage. The surface of the earth is only dust and mud. No life remains on it. And if you would need a respirator, or the cold of the outer as would kill you, one dies immediately in the outer air. I know, of course, I shall take all precautions, and besides, well. She considered and chose her words with care. Her son had an odd personality, and she wished to dissuade him from the expedition. It is contrary to the spirit of the age, she asserted. Do you mean by that contrary to the machine? In a sense, but his image in the blue plate faded. Kunu. He had isolated himself for a moment. Vashti felt lonely. Then she generated the light, and the sight of her room, flooded with radiance, stood with electric buttons, revived her. When still here, Kunu is insisting to his mother that she should pay the visit, but she is avoiding, and she is saying that the earth is full of dust and mud and there is no life on the earth, and and you would need a respirator for life, but someone dies immediately in the outer air, means outside the earth. So when the conversation were going on, Kunu isolated himself, and his mother wished a moment felt lonely, and she generated the lights, and after the few moments, the when she on the electric buttons, then the light came back. So that was all about page number 74. In my next video I will explain you page number 75. So in my next video I will give you the explanation of page number 75. So till my next video, stay at home, stay safe lives. If you have any sort of question, you can ask me in the comment section in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much.